Hello.
Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for choosing this platform on African culture, food, and lifestyle. So, guys, I'm in an African village. I want to prepare African breakfast. And then the breakfast that I'm going to make this time, I've already done African porridge. I'm going to make African coffee breakfast. So, it's a natural food without any preservative. It's a coffee without any preservative, which is just natural. So just come with me. I'm going to where I'm going to get that ingredients, coffee ingredients. Come with me. So guys, this is the ingredients. This one you see here. This one. This is a very, very nice ingredient for African coffee tea. It has a very nice taste. So this is what we are going to use to prepare our tea this morning in the village, in an African village. So stay tuned. So here, if you don't have tea leaves, you want to make some quick tea, this is the best. Very healthy with some health benefits. So guys, this is just enough. So if you don't have tea leaves in African village, this is what we prepare tea. So come with me. So guys, just for the sake of hygiene, we are going to wash it, but you don't have to scrub it so much because you are going to the taste is going to reduce. So you just make sure you clean it, then you fold it, and then you just rub it. And wow, guys, the aroma. This is the real natural African coffee. Now, after this, we are going to boil some water and you dip it inside that water. So it will boil and then you see the water color changing somehow to greenish and it will be ready. Then you just put sugar and then you can have it with anything. So for me, I'm going to serve it with some boiled bananas. So I know in African, some people call them plantain. We have different ways of making bananas. So traditionally, in my community, we boil bananas. So this is what I'm going to use to make this. So come with me. So guys, this is my coffee. So what I'm going to do is just to put it in there.
So it's going to boil for about 10 minutes and it's loved because of that aroma. So stay tuned, guys. So my green bananas are already inside the pot. We prefer cooking it inside the pot because it comes out nicely. So when you are cutting, you cut the edges, this side and the other side. Then you make a slit. The slit will help us to peel them easily, or it also helps us to know when it is ripe. So we will boil them until they turn brown. The color will turn brown, and by that time it will be ready. Very, very nice, guys. So stay tuned. We are going to use banana leaves to cover so that they can cook faster, and it also gives it another taste. On the other end, my African coffee is also done. Look at the color, it has changed, and now it's time for sugar. Yeah, coffee. So traditionally they put them while cooking so that they can dissolve easily. So this is how we make African coffee in the village. Guys, it has a very, very nice aroma. So we remove the leaves. Now you can see they have turned. All the aroma is left in the coffee, and you can see the color of the coffee. Herbal, very, very nice and healthy. Look at the color, guys. So guys, my bananas. My bananas are done. We are using these banana covers to make it. So you can see when the slit is open, they are opening, and the color is brown. Now this now means that they are ready. So we are just taking them out, and we are going to serve them with our African coffee. So stay tuned. I'm serving my bananas. Look at them now. Look at them. Look at this. So this is how we take breakfast in an African village. So I'm going to serve this with the African coffee. So stay tuned. And coffee. Oh, the aroma. Hey, I really love the aroma. It's so nice. So this is how we eat them with these our bananas, boiled bananas. Guys, oh, it is too hot. So you can sprinkle some salt. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let's meet in another video on African vlogs. Thank you so much. Let's meet in another video. Bye-bye.